Outdated circuit breaker management risks downtime. Today's maintenance is disruptive and often requires shutdowns. EvoPacT HVX vacuum circuit breakers are digital by design with embedded condition monitoring sensors so that we can service them based on their real condition. Never too early, never too late. Our AI and data models are powered by the largest electrical asset database built on the cloud. EvoPacT uses 5 types of condition monitoring sensors built into every breaker to continuously support both health and maintenance indexes. A health index helps reduce downtime and risks, and a maintenance index optimizes maintenance and breaker life. Every time a breaker operates, especially under high load or fault conditions, its electrical contacts erode. This erosion is a primary health indicator. From day one, a dedicated sensor measures erosion and alerts when it becomes excessive. Measurements feed into our aging model and can be viewed in the mobile app. Opening a breaker requires rapid deployment of energy from a charged spring. The mechanism must operate precisely to minimize arc energy. A dedicated sensor tracks operating speed, highlighting any decrease which would risk safe and reliable performance. When breakers are racked in, any misalignment can increase arc flash or fire risks. 2 types of monitoring help identify and avoid those threats. The alignment sensor measures the position within the circuit breaker compartment to ensure MV contacts are inserted correctly. Thermal sensors detect heat buildup generated at major power connections. Several scenarios can cause elevated thermal conditions but are easily detected before risks occur. Coils and motors deploy energy precisely for breaker operation. Their health is also monitored, identifying when replacement is needed. The breaker monitoring module continuously stores the health status from all sensors, ensuring a unique health profile for each individual breaker. Connected by the gateway to our cloud platform, data powers AI models that deliver actionable insights to prevent unplanned downtime, minimize risks, and help optimize operations and maintenance. EvoPacT, the smartest circuit breaker for MV applications, powered by 5 types of condition monitoring.